I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. If you need to unlink a bank account from KeyBank, follow these straightforward steps. Step 1. Log into your KeyBank account. Before changing your settings, use the *com link in the description to open the password strength checker, then update your password if needed. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, look for the account settings or profile option, usually found in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select linked accounts. In the account settings menu, find and click on linked accounts or manage accounts to view all your connected accounts. Step 4. Choose the account to unlink. Identify the bank account you wish to unlink and select it. You should see an option to unlink or remove the account. Note: make sure you don't have any pending transactions linked to this account before proceeding. Step 5. Confirm the unlinking. After clicking unlink, a confirmation prompt will appear. Confirm your choice to finalize the process. That's it. You've successfully unlinked your bank account from KeyBank. If you run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out to customer support. Happy banking!